Welcome to this video on solid-state devices. Today we explore the fundamental concepts of the Hall effect, the Einstein relation, and the continuity equation to understand how charge carriers move and interact within these materials. In thermal equilibrium, charge carriers are in constant motion due to thermal energy. However, because this motion is random, there is no net displacement over time. When we introduce an electric field, we create order. This field forces charge carriers to move in a specific direction, a process we call drift. As the electric field increases, drift velocity eventually saturates. At these high fields, energy is transferred to the lattice, resulting in constant current. By applying magnetic and electric fields simultaneously, we can intercept charge carriers, causing them to deflect sideways. This phenomenon is central to the Hall effect. The Hall effect allows us to accurately measure carrier concentration in a material by utilizing the Hall voltage and the Hall coefficient. We distinguish between two types of movement: drift, which is driven by electric fields, and diffusion, which occurs in response to concentration gradients or crowding. The Einstein relation acts as a bridge, mathematically connecting the diffusion coefficient to mobility, providing a deeper look into carrier behavior at specific temperatures. To track the movement of carriers through a material, we observe the flow as it enters and leaves a specific volume of space. The continuity equation acts as a master ledger, accounting for the buildup of carriers over time while subtracting those lost through recombination. When we focus specifically on diffusion, the continuity equation simplifies into the diffusion equation, which clearly outlines spatial spread and carrier depth. To conclude, this video has synthesized how drift, diffusion, the Einstein relation, and the continuity equation form the foundation of how we model and design solid-state devices.